Today, we're going to walk through the process of logging into your CCI account with the new system. If you have ever held a CCI certification at any point, there's no need to create a new account. Your existing record has already been migrated into the new system. Let's get started. The first step is to enter the primary email address associated with your CCI account. Once you've entered your email address, click on Forgot Password. Next, you'll enter your email address again and complete a reCAPTCHA. From here you will click the button to reset your password with a one-time passcode. After you receive the one-time passcode, verify it in the system. Then, you'll be prompted to create your new password that meets all the security requirements. Once you have created your new password, sign in using your new credentials. Complete the verification one more time. From now on, you can log in normally using your email address and your new password.